Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll start by powering down and unplugging the Ps5, then wait 5 to 10 minutes to ensure capacitors are discharged. Once done, flip the console and remove the base or stand if attached so you can access the expansion bay. Next, slide the outer cover off using even pressure on the corner and set it aside. This exposes the metal bay cover. Make sure to have your M.2 NVMe PCIe 4. 0 SSD, a compatible heatsink, and a small Phillips screwdriver at hand before proceeding. With the bay open, remove the metal cover and the screw or retaining spacer from the M.2 slot. You'll insert the SSD at about a 30-degree angle into the slot so the gold contacts seat cleanly. Push it gently until it clicks. Once seated, lower the module and align it with the standoff, then fasten the screw to hold it flat. After securing, apply the heatsink. Confirm the thermal pad sits over the SSD controller, and press the sink into place for good thermal transfer. Once the SSD and heatsink are installed, replace the metal bay cover and slide the outer shell back on until it snaps. Reattach the base or stand, plug in power and peripherals, and turn the console on. The Ps5 will detect the new drive and prompt you to format it. Follow on-screen prompts in storage settings to make it usable for games. If the SSD is not recognized, power down, reseat the module, confirm the screw and standoff alignment, and check that the heatsink isn't lifting the contacts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.